guys, so welcome back to Valerie's DIY projects. I have not done a project since I've been pregnant, and now that I am 3 months postpartum and fully healed, I'm gonna start on a new project. It is now January 1st, 2025. Happy New Year's. So this month, my goal is to complete my closet. Yay! So I have started on a sketch. So here's an idea of what I'm going to do. And here's what it looks like currently. So as you can see, I was not maximizing this space to its full potential. So it was just about time, starting the new year, that I get organized. The first thing I did was look for a set of drawers that will fit into my closet. So here's me just browsing the internet. Okay, so here's an update. My delivery came in. These are the 3 drawers that I will be building soon. And then I will figure out from there. Okay, so today is the day that I finally get to build my drawers for the closet. I think I'll just place you guys here. And let's get started.
We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Ooh, give me a sign and tell me when to begin. 'Cause every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh. Until I saw and I met your eyes. That's why I'm moving close, to be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. 'Cause every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh. So that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh. Let me know now. Let me know now. Give me a sign. Let me know now. Let me know now. Let me know now.
Now we're on to the drawers.
Give me a sign. To be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Oh yeah, let me know now. Let me know now. Give me a sign. Let me know now. Let me know now. Let me know now. Give me a sign. Let me know now. Let me know now. Let me know now. Give me a sign. Let me know now. Let me know now. Let me know now. Give me a sign. Let me know now.
Woohoo! Drawer is done. Right. Okay, so here is the final result. I have 1 drawer done. Yay! And I have 2 more to build, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here is the progress. I have put this in the corner instead of 3 side by side. My plan is to build maybe a shelf here going all the way up. So this will be open. And I will be leaving my dresses on this corner. So yeah, that is what we have so far. Okay, team, the project continues. We have this laid out here. We're gonna start cutting. So now all the pieces have been cut out, and now we're cutting these slits in so that way we can slide it under the closet rod. I didn't want anything permanent or actually attached to the wall. And then we lined out the spacing for the shelves. And then it was time to sand the pieces down. And here are all the pieces cut out and ready to be put together. Here's my little cutout. Hopefully it all fits in the closet. For this next part of the installation, I just had my uncle do everything for me, and I did what I did best, which is supervising. So yeah, there he is. I just wanted to point out that I did a great job measuring. Here is the progress of the closet. So cool. Wow. Finally, we added the shelves and moved all the drawers back. All that's left to do is to paint. Overall, I would say that I am very happy with the way this came out, and this project cost me less than $300. So it's a win.